My name is Subi and I am an embroidery artist. And today we're going to talk about where to start in embroidery, where to start when you get your new machine. So this is my new machine, Ragnar, and he is a Brother PR 1000E. Really awesome machine. I absolutely love it. And the first thing I did when I got this machine, even though I have 7 other machines in my workshop, the first thing I did was read the manual. Now I know that doesn't sound too exciting. It's kind of boring, but this is the best thing to do to get comfortable with your machine. It has all of the answers to your questions in this book. It tells you how to thread, it tells you how to use the bobbin, it tells you how to hoop, it tells you everything about programming your machine. So that's where I would start. Grab a cup of tea and sit down and relax and be super comfy and read this through, and you will have a confidence to get embroidering. So the other question that people ask is, what supplies do you need? Well, this is a 10 needle machine, so you need 10 spools of thread. You should start your thread collection. You need stabilizer, because you must use stabilizer for hooping, and I would suggest that you get a cutaway, a tearaway, and maybe some water soluble, but at least just the basics, at least those two. Your machine should come with pre-wound bobbins, because you're going to need one of those. You can't stitch without a bobbin. And I would suggest getting some oil if your machine doesn't come with it. Have a look in your toolbox and you'll find everything that you need, including a little bit of oil. Before you start anything, you need to learn how to oil the race, and of course you can consult your manual to find out how to do that. And turn on your machine. And the first thing that you should do to get comfy with the machine after you've read your manual is just to move around in the different areas of the machine. You can play with the camera, you can move the arms for different hoops, but the first thing you should stitch out is something from built in on the machine. So you can do lettering, you can do monograms, you can set this up all in the machine. These are pretty floral letters. This is the one I did, believe it or not, even though I have 7 machines and I've been embroidering for a long time. This is the first design I did to test out my machine, because I know it's built for my brother. And once you do 1 or 2 designs, you'll get the hang of it and you'll feel more comfortable with using your machine. So in my book, that is where to start. You don't need hundreds of threads. You don't need 100 different kinds of stabilizers. Start with the basics, but get stitching. That's the most important thing. Know your machine. That's what you need to do to get started. So thanks everyone for watching. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and like this video to let me know you want more videos just like this. Stitch y'all later. Bye.